What up, hooligans? It's Jennifer, and welcome to another Hooligans video. No, that kind of sounds cringy. Today I'm doing my second ever what I got for Christmas haul. These videos are the definition of like subtle flex, but okay. So, not trying to flex. Okay, that just sounds like I'm trying to flex, but you guys really wanted me to film one of these videos, so I was like, okay, let me just do it. But obviously I want to say I'm super thankful for everything that I received. I also gave a bunch of gifts too. Basically, I'm very grateful that I'm in this position. I'm grateful that I have friends and family who care about me. So it is actually not Christmas today. Today is December 26th. On Christmas, my family and I actually went skiing and snowboarding. I was the one who's snowboarding because I'm way cooler. Okay, I do have more bruises because I fell maybe about like every 5 seconds, but it's okay. Hope you guys enjoy this video and let's get started. Okay, I'm like high-key sweating now. This jacket is coming off. I'm gonna start with something that I got that was literally like one of the most favorite gifts that I've ever gotten. This is from a family friend. I got macarons. These are so good. I feel like these are way better than chocolate. I've never gotten macarons before, so I'm excited. As you can see, a lot are missing already. Moving on to what my best friend Caitlin got me. She got me these mittens, and I actually really need mittens because I don't really have anything to protect my hands. Oh, they're so soft inside. What the heck? We got L'Occitane Duo Mains et Lèvres. Mains et Lèvres? What is that? Hands and feet?
Hands and lips.
Oh, hands and lips. Cute. And then we have this Adidas Frick. This Adidas toque. Is toque a Canadian word?
Yes.
This Adidas beanie. Thank you, Caitlin. Okay, so this next thing, we're taking a break from things that I got, but this next thing I actually got for my sister for Christmas, and I just want to show you guys because I just want to flex how good of a sister I am. Dun 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 dun! It is an iPhone. Ooh! It's an iPhone XR. It's the black color because it looks like a lump of coal. Also got her Apple Care because she smashes all her phones. You guys see that? Do you see that? Do you see those cracks? Very nice. So yeah, she is in desperate need of a phone, so got her one. Also got her Apple Care. Wait, did I already say that?
Yeah, you already said that.
Holy crap, I'm going
That's
crazy.
sorry.
Maybe I should have asked for brain cells for Christmas. Moving on. So I also got this book. It's The Hate You Give, which is also a movie right now, and I'm excited to read this. Honestly, I haven't read a book in a hot minute. I want to start reading so that I feel still kind of educated. Okay, next I got this perfume. It's Love Story by Chloe. I actually never ever wear perfume. I just like...
No wonder you're so stinky.
I'm always just too lazy to put on perfume. Also, I just never really remember to. Same with like jewelry. I'm just not a very like fancy person. So I just kind of go ratchet out the door and it's good with me. But yeah, super appreciate this. What is next? I got this like votive candle set. Some home decor. It's just a votive candle set, which is literally what I said like 5 seconds ago. Also got the classic Christmas gift, a box of Ferrero Rochers, and I actually really love Ferrero Rochers. ASMR. Okay, sorry if I'm being annoying, but like what can you do, you know? Also got another box of chocolates. This is a Godiva. Is that how you pronounce it? Godiva? Godiva. I think it's Godiva. Assorted chocolate creations. Okay, cool. And then got this little thing from Victoria's Secret Love. And I did not know that this was like a subcategory of Victoria's Secret. It's basically a set of matte lip colors. And I totally did not even know that Victoria's Secret sold makeup. They're all like very neutral, nudie, pinky. So I'm excited to try these out. Also got this kind of like spa kit set. It has these slippers, some bath bombs, foot lotion, foot cream, foot scrub. So excited to try that. I honestly never do many like spa nights or like pampering nights. So I feel like having this will kind of help me out with that. I don't really treat myself that well, TBH. I'm not very healthy. I don't know why I'm laughing. Also got this set of hand creams from Crabtree and Evelyn. Funny story about Crabtree and Evelyn. Once I was inside the store and I was holding like a little boat of fries or poutine, and I was like looking at one of the hand creams and accidentally dropped my bowl of fries with the ketchup, and it like splattered all over the floor, and I didn't know what to do, so I kind of just like left. After that, I have never gone back into Crabtree and Evelyn because I'm just scared. I don't really know what the point of that anecdote was, but I just want to let you guys know some juicy details about my life. Okay, moving on to family gifts. So this is from my brother. He got me something from the Body Shop. He got me this mango set, and he insisted on leaving the price tag here to show that he could afford it. Okay, so inside, smells so good. Ah! Loki does not smell like mango though, but like whatever. So inside we have some mango soap with mango seed oil, a mango shower gel, a good old mango loofah. It's not actually mango flavored, it's just orange. Exfoliating sugar body scrub. Ooh, excited for that. A mango body butter. So let's open it up. Thanks, Jeremy. Next. Okay, next up. What? I'm filming. My mother got me a journal and a pen. I forgot about that. She knows how bad I am at planning, so she got me this journal. When I opened it, she was like, you have to plan every day. I was like, okay, I will try. So maybe this will help me start bullet journaling. I've always loved watching bullet journaling videos because they're because I feel like they're so aesthetically pleasing, and I love drawing and that kind of stuff. So maybe this will be my new hobby and will help me plan out my life better, because I have terrible time management and I suck at planning, and I'm just like, my life is overall just like a mess. Okay, low-key, I cannot hear anything because this like my hair is blocking my ear holes. So hopefully this will turn my life on a 180 and help me be a productive queen. Thanks, mother. Last but not least, my sister got me a super exciting gift. It's a suitcase. JK. It's actually a record player. It's this really, really pretty aqua blue color, and I love it. I have been wanting a record player for so long, and I just think it looks really nice. I'm not a huge like, oh! This is what it looks like inside, and it smells just like a factory. I'm not necessarily like a big fancy audio quality person, so this will do. I'm just so excited to play with this. And she also got me a vinyl. So the vinyl that she got me is Dua Lipa, my queen. The vinyl is so pretty. It's purple and like kind of marbly, and I'm so excited. It has these songs on it, and I love Dua Lipa. I think she's so cool. Thanks, Jane. So yeah, that's what I got for Christmas. I mean, I definitely don't get this many things every single year, so hope that's not what you're thinking. Honestly, I was a little hesitant about filming this video because whenever I used to watch these videos on YouTube, I kind of felt like really bad about myself because I didn't get like an iPhone or like a TV or like a Nintendo Switch, and like everyone would be getting all these like luxury brands, and I'd just be like, hey, I got a box of Ferrero Rochers, which is still awesome. So I really don't want you guys to feel like that about yourself. I hope this just makes you feel like we're opening gifts together on Christmas or something like that. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if you hate it or not. Thank you guys so much for supporting me and watching all my videos. I really, really, really appreciate it. I hope you guys have an amazing holiday season. Shout out of the week is right here, and I will see you guys next time. Bye! Christmas.